you feel free. And your eyes were so very green. And it's foolish to think you would ever consider it again after 2 or 3 drinks. All the books on the subject say just move along, give yourself some time to think. They say follow your heart, but if your heart never knew where to go, oh why? You just say goodbye to people whose every word is just a lie. Like a guilty man who knows he's gonna cry. I was hoping to catch that old dreamy look in your eye. And it's foolish to need any sign you consider me again after smoking some weed. All our friends are so bored of you, never died in a desperate would we ever plead. They say follow your heart, but if your heart never knows where to go, oh why? You're just saying goodbye to people whose every word is just a lie. And you wonder just a little if your soul is starting to die. And you spend every waking moment wondering why, 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 why. Was a winter's day when I finally realized I was the one I was walking away. That you tried so many times and I ignored every word you had to say. And you know how a thing like that can be such a terrible shame, cause it makes you feel old. And your words were so very cold. And it's foolish to think you can bury it all in some endless drive to drink. Every person you meet can tell your ship taking water in a storm and it's starting to sink. If you follow your heart, then you're bound to become something else. You take one hard look at yourself, and you say, I'm gonna do everything